us and the people we are going to meet at the site. So what is the problem? No problem. Oh, so we can proceed.
But now, I'm not talking much.
That's okay.
Legislator. We know Article 211 and Article 212
I'm a lawyer
of the
the
Constitution of Uganda.
Yes.
So we are here legally, and we have to protect all Ugandans, including you.
Yeah.
Get me? You said you requested permission from them.
No, we didn't request. Don't misuse that.
Can you ask for permission?
No, we didn't ask.
We
notified them.
So
that's what the law says. Yes,
so if you notified, did you get a feedback from IGP?
the law doesn't say we have to get feedback.
Oh.
When you read section 4
So when you read
and 5 of the Public Order
when you
Management
read
Act,
section 211, what does it say?
it says you regulate.
Regulate.
So we
What
are
does regulating
custodians of law and order. If the DPC has told you that there is intelligence coming up, that you guys are going to cause havoc, that you guys you have other intentions which are not known to us.
Which one?
Therefore,
Because
listen,
we told you our
I'm asking-
intention.
I'm telling you what I'm supposed to tell you because you're asking me. Therefore, we stand here. So please, if you don't honor, say that we can't get back to the IGP, just notify us. Then now, better go back and say, the police in Sezibwa blocked us. Can you give us reasons for that? That's enough. But for the meantime, you not proceed.
Okay, but officer, for me the issue is really how you are not obstructing others. The NRM people, Simani PL, you are always doing these activities. They pass here every day with their processions. Yeah, but
It's no enforcer.
What brings me here?
What is wrong
is law and order.
But the double standards.
Detect and prevent.
And the double
Right.
standards must be condemned.
Period.
Officer,
That's it.
let me. No, actually, there are. Sikawa. Because everyone else,
So
does what we are doing.
for me,
Maybe help me understand. I'm still talking to your boss. Calm down, madam. Don't get excited. Still talking to your boss because you didn't have an answer. Maybe your superior might have an answer. So I avoided you already because you seem very confused even about the law.
And I'll give you the answer.
I want to have a follow-up because you have said that our intentions are not very clear, that we are likely to cause havoc. What intentions are those? Because we expressed our intentions in the letter we wrote to the IGP that we are going on a mobilization activity as a registered party.
I say we are the custodians of law and order. We detect and prevent crime.
So do you suspect we are going to commit a crime?
We are in charge of Sezibwa region.
That's okay.
The last time you passed through Sezibwa region, people lost their lives.
Which one?
And you aware about that?
Which one? Tell me who lost their life and how?
Don't you know that you had the unlawful possession and people
You
got
said
injured in
somebody.
accidents?
You said somebody lost their
Anyway,
life.
I'll not go much into
because
that.
of
But
our
I've told
activities.
you.
Which one?
But I've told you that we are custodians of law and order. We detect and prevent crime. Therefore,
That's
we
why
have
you need to be
detected.
there
We
so
have
that if
detected
somebody
that
wants
ahead
to
of us-
cause us harm, you provide that
Honorable,
security.
let's go. We have detected that ahead of us. There's a little of insecurity. Probably it may not be safe for us or other one each.
Actually,
So
I'm glad you're concerned about my
I
security.
kindly request you.
That's why I would like you to provide for us security as we go to carry out our lawful activity.
I can request you. Go back, prepare yourselves. Though you say that you notify us, maybe we shall also notify you about your notification.
When and how?
Please, that's enough for me. Thank you very much.
But who are you that have me introduced myself? You didn't introduce yourself. So
I'm
that
Jonathan. I'm a
Jonathan.
senior superintendent of police, Jonathan.
Jonathan who?
That is it. That's
Me,
enough
I'm
for
not
me.
just Joe, I'm Joel
It's
Senyu.
okay, it's
So
okay,
you're
Honorable. I'm
Jonathan.
done.
No, it's okay to, because I want to know who I'm engaging, so that if I am engaging back, I say, this is the
Thank you,
person I
Honorable.
engage.
Thank you so much. I've given you time. If the senior commander talked to you, I've talked to you. That's enough, please.
This one I've seen, Sikahwa. For you, you don't have a name tag. Who are you? Because if what you're doing is lawful and you're in our uniform, it's good to know who this person is. Because you're senior ranking officer at the rank of senior superintendent of police.
Yes.
So you're Jonathan who, sir?
Take it that I'm Jonathan.
But there are many Jonathans. Even here, there are some
and the
Jonathans.
senior superintendent of police. And if you say that all these police officers are here, listen to me. That means there is a command structure in place.
Yeah,
Thank you
that's
very
okay,
much.
and that's where we are.
Thank you very much, Honorable.
That one here, I don't know what's wrong.
Women with excitement.
You need to calm down, eh?
Women with
Calm
excitement.
down. safe journey. Are you the one who invited us? So maybe Sikawa, now that you got concerned about our security, because I see all these people are enough to provide us with security, make sure we are safe. What you seem concerned about our security. So these people you're with are the ones that we can find. We cannot have security from them.